Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your lead generation with Leadpages, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your lead generation with Leadpages, start by creating an account on their website. Access the Leadpages dashboard after logging in. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the various tools available. Choose a template that suits your business needs and target audience. Click on the Create New Page button to begin. Select a template from the library or start with a blank slate. Customize the template by adding your logo, images, and branding elements. Edit the text to match your tone and messaging. Incorporate strong calls to action that encourage visitors to engage. Set up a lead capture form by dragging and dropping the form element onto your page. Integrate email marketing services to collect and manage your leads effectively. Adjust the settings of your lead form to include fields that are relevant to your goals. Add social proof elements, such as testimonials or trust badges, to build credibility. Preview your landing page to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Once satisfied, publish your landing page by clicking the Publish button. Connect the page to your domain or use the provided Leadpages domain. Promote your landing page through social media, email campaigns, and paid ads. Monitor the performance of your landing page using Leadpages analytics tools. Make adjustments based on data insights to optimize lead generation. Continuously test different elements to improve conversion rates. Explore additional Leadpages features like pop-ups and alert bars for more lead capture options. Stay updated with marketing trends to refine your lead generation strategy further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.